Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to dual boot Windows and Debian 12. Open your favorite browser, search for debian.org, hit enter, scroll down more where to get Debian. Here is two type of download image, a small installation image, a large complete installation image. If you download a small installation image during the installation, you need internet. If you download a large complete installation image, you don't need internet during the installation. I recommend to download the complete one. Click on download USB CD DVD image using HTTP. Scroll down. Select architecture depend on your system. My system is 64-bit. Again, scroll down. Download Debian 12.8.0. It is the latest version. Open new tab. Search for Belina HR download. Open first link. Download HR. Here is HR for different operating systems like Mac, Linux, Windows. I need for Windows. If you don't like to use HR, you can use Refuse. Download Refuse, any of them you want. Now here I have Belina HR and Debian 12. Now you need one USB 8 gig or above 8 gig plugin. Double click on Belina HR or Refuse. Flash from file. Select Debian image. Open. Select target. Select USB flash disk. Select flash. Yes. It will take around 2 minutes. It is finished. Close it. You can dual with Windows 11 and also with Windows 10. The process is the same. Right click on Start. Find Disk Management. Here I have one drive. It is C drive. Right click here. Shrink volume. We need around 30 GB. I want to write here 30,000. Shrink. We create one drive. It is 29 GB. Right click on new drive, new sample volume. Next. Next. Assign the following drive letter. You can select anyone you want. I want to select E drive. Next. Next. Finish. Close it. Restart your system. When you restart, press both key depend on your hardware. It is a list of both keys for different hardware. For me it is F12. Then select a USB device, hit enter. Graphical install, hit enter. Again hit enter. Select your language, continue. Select your country, continue. Continue. Guys, like the video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content and hit the bell icon. When I upload the new video, you will have notification. Configure the network. Leave as default. Continue. Continue. Set up user and passwords. Enter password. Confirm your password or repeat your password. Continue. Set up users and password. Write your username. I want to write Tor. Continue. Okay, continue. Set password for new user. Continue. Configure the clock. Continue. This part is important. Partition disk. Select manual. Continue. This 32 gig is free space. Select and continue. All files on one partition. Continue. Finish partition. Continue. Partition disk. Select yes. Continue. Configure the package manager. Leave as default. Continue. Again continue. Software selection. Leave as default, and also you can change, but I recommend leave as default. Continue. Have finished installation. Unplug your USB, then continue. From here you can select Debian and also you can select Windows. First, let's try Debian. Select Debian, hit enter. Enter password. Now you successfully download Windows with Debian, and also you can easily switch from Debian to Windows. Restart Debian. In this step, select Windows. Guys, I hope you enjoyed from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.